Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted tasks in Asana. If you've accidentally removed an important task or need to restore something from a completed project, Asana makes it straightforward to bring those tasks back to life. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, head over to your Asana web dashboard and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the specific project where the deleted task originally lived. Click to open that project, as this will be your starting point for the recovery process. Now look to the top right corner of your project view. You'll see a magnifying glass icon labeled Search. Click on it to open the search functionality. This is where Asana's filtering capabilities really come in handy for tracking down deleted items. Next, you'll notice a three-dot icon within the search area. Click on those three dots, and from the drop-down menu, select Go to Advanced Search. This takes you to a more powerful search interface that lets you dig deeper into your project's task history, including items that have been removed. Once you're in the Advanced Search menu, click on Add Filter. This opens up a range of options that allow you to refine what you're looking for. For our purposes, you'll want to focus on the status field, click on it, and select Deleted Tasks. This specific filter is what allows Asana to show you only the tasks that have been removed from the project, making it easy to find what you're looking for without sifting through active tasks. After setting your filter, click Search or Apply to generate a list of all deleted tasks in that project. You'll now see everything that's been removed, complete with task names and details. Browse through this list carefully to locate the specific task you want to recover. When you find the task you're looking for, you'll see an Undelete button next to it. Click that button, and Asana will immediately restore the task back to its original location within the project. It's that simple. Finally, navigate back to your main project task list to confirm that the restored task now appears where it should. It will return to the section or column it was in before deletion, allowing you to pick up right where you left off. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to recover any deleted tasks in Asana. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.